LinkedIn have introduced 3 games on the platform, and some people are a bit funny about this. I like them. They are called Pinpoint, Crossclimb and Queens, and they have their company page, interestingly. So if you haven't found them yet, you can go and find their page or just type in Pinpoint, Crossclimb. So we're 3 weeks in on these games and I get a reminder when they're up. So this is what it looks like. And just before we get into playing the game, I want to explain why I think LinkedIn have introduced games. If you remember during the pandemic, the game Wordle, which I still play occasionally, I don't play it every day because it involves me having to go to my phone, type in Wordle, go and find it on the New York Times website and play it. And yeah, it's fun and I like that kind of stuff. But this is on LinkedIn already. So I think it's kind of genius. And every day it gives me a reminder the games are up. And what I like about it is they're quick and easy and it's just kind of fun to do. If you're that kind of person, everybody is. You can see some of my connections are also playing these games. And also, I've a 2-day streak, which means I'm not playing them every day. I'm just playing them whenever I see them. So let's have a look and see what they look like. So this is Crossclimb. And now this is going to be funny. I'm going to have to pause this and answer the questions rather than keep you hanging. Basically, these ones are 4-letter words. So close one eye must be wink, right? Fail to get the W. No idea. Don't know what that means. Unaccompanied would normally be solo. That seems a bit of a stretch. Part of a phishing email that shouldn't be. Clicks up the link, right? So solo is not right. Fail to get the W. I don't know. So if we don't know what they are, you do, guys? You go and click on hint. Annoyant at airport security. L-I. Line. It's a line. And that's going to be above that one because if you look, wink is going to be above that. So wink, link, line. Solo is definitely wrong. Fail to get the W. Lose. Oh my Lord. That's not true either. Solo, unaccompanied. That's wrong. Yeah, I know it's wrong. It's much harder when you're trying to do this on a YouTube channel, that's for sure. Hint. L. Unaccompanied. Lone. Of course. So let's see. Now, oh, so that was right. And lose that. Okay. Top and row bottoms. 2 things that come in red and white. Oh, that's going to be a rose. Rose. And wine. Yeah! There we go, guys. That took a little bit. I am not crushing that. That was not crushing. 2 minutes. So what you do then is you go down here and you say, you comment. And you say, below. There we go. And the whole point is it's about connecting with people, but also LinkedIn are genius because it keeps us on the platform. And then we go down here, it says, do you want to play the other game? So we'll play Pinpoint. Queens, I am not going to play live because it is blooming hard. Right, so guess the category. Fire. Sunlight. Heat. Cross. Fire, sunlight, heat. Fire, sunlight, cross. I don't know. It's not man, island, cross, patch, sunlight, ray, ray? No. Holy water, oh, okay, church. Garlic, vampire! Things that kill a vampire. 5 guesses, that is terrible. I'm normally much faster than that. And let's just look at Queens. Queens is the trickiest one between you and me. So let's click on Start Game. And the idea of this is you have to put a crown in each block. So this is kind of funny, right? And they're not allowed to be, like you can't do diagonally across. So let's try this. See, I'm doing them all. That's gonna be there. So there's nothing in this column, right? So I'll do that one. No, that won't work because look, the purple won't work. So you remove it. And then that can only be there. This one. Oh, see, we've run out. Oh, have we? Yeah, look. No. Okay. There. 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 And then, which one is this gonna be? Oh no, we can't do that. Look. So this is the harder one. This is the hardest game. That tells me ones you've got wrong. Oh, maybe we switch those around. Oh, I think we got it. Yes, 1 minute 14. So then you go down this, because this is the one I think lots of people find this harder. And then, you know, nobody's connecting with me through these games, but it's just for fun. And there you are. I've been on LinkedIn for like 5 minutes, and now it says here copy score. Why would I copy my score? That's weird. Where's that gonna go? So that's what the games are. And then join the chatter. You can see it's got each of them have got their own page. Crown each region. 7,000 followers. And look, can you play the old ones? You probably can actually, guys. But why we're doing games. But it's basically what I just said. It's that they think that it's for people. If we go to your reminder. Oh, look, how to play. Oh, that's good. Could have just showed you that. Who can see if you've played? Show the clock. So there it just tells you how to play the games. After the games on LinkedIn, FAQ. How do I access them? Oh, can I submit games ideas? Can recruiters or my employer see my scores? Well, I guess you could say no. Will they release games in other languages? Oh, these are really interesting. Go to the Games Hub. So there we go, guys. Games on LinkedIn. Let me know. Are you in or are you out? What's the crack? Are you going to do this?